Anybody there? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm wearing my bathrobe because I've just come from a shower. Yes, and today's review is going to be related to it, so I thought what would be the most suitable outfit to wear to talk about something that is related to your shower. I mean, I nailed it, right? So today we're going to talk about a brand that has recently been introduced to me. They actually reached out just to tell me a little bit more about their product, and today I'm going to review their filtered shower head, which is something that I have actually made some research before, because I mean, everybody knows the water here in London is not the purest of them all. When I go to Brazil, I notice such a difference with my nails, my hair, my skin. And when I come back to London, my skin is just dry. My nails are always breaking. My hair is a bit dull and frizzy. So I actually had been looking for something to filter all these nasties that come from our shower, and they came at the right time. So I'm gonna go right into it and tell you my thoughts. I actually got the shower head a few weeks ago, and I wanted to give it a good try in order to let you know what I thought. So I basically took it from the shower just to show you guys how it looks, because I just don't think it's fair to review a product without actually giving it an amazing go. Okay, so basically it comes in this packaging here. I had two of the vitamins, but one obviously I've been using it. So it basically comes like this. Let's show it to you guys. So it's two parts like this. And then I'm gonna take the one that is inside so you can see. And just so you see that I'm not lying, I'm actually, can you see, more than halfway through. And this is vacay vibes, and it smells absolutely amazing. My shower has become such a fun experience. Whenever you turn the tap on, the smell just takes over your whole bathroom, and there's nothing like it. I seriously mean it. I have never ever had such a fragrant shower. This, I must admit, is revolutionary. So basically you take the vitamin that you choose. This one obviously vacay vibes, and you place it and screw it, and then you just attach it to your shower. I have actually recorded the whole process, so let's go into it. Did you guys see how easy it is? And obviously all the benefits that it brings is amazing. It will give you instant hair and skin health. And the cool thing as well is that this product conserves 25% of your water, so you're gonna also save on your bills. Yes, how fabulous is that? And there are so many other benefits. For example, it neutralizes chlorine, removes lime scale, not to mention that it helps improve dry skin and just help you to have brighter and healthier head. And the essential oils just create that amazing experience, and obviously all that aroma around the shower. To be fair, I never had such an experience. Obviously it's not an overwhelming smell. I think probably for a purpose, because there are people that are sensitive to strong smells. So I think it's just on the verge of perfect, because it's not too strong or too little. I've been really loving it so far. I think it's a great way for you to just take an extra care of your skin, hair, and just your whole body. And I would definitely recommend it to anyone who just wants to make those little steps to just taking better care of themselves. I will obviously leave all the details down below and make sure to check them out. And if you ever try, or if you have already tried, do let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. But until next time, bye!